Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace radiator for Chevy Trax and let's go started. Welcome to my YouTube channel and TikTok. So make sure to take the bulb out from the top and clips. Take this one out and this one, and make sure take the bolt out from behind this and clips, and then start to take the bolt out from here and here and here, and then anything you need to take them out. So that switch both here and here, this one. So these all the clips and screws, star and 8mm and 10. So I already took them out yesterday. So this is the front and this is a bumper. This is behind the bumper. This is behind the bumper. This is a new radiator. Let's go start to put it back. Make sure also take this hose, radiator hose, this one, the upper one, and this one, the lower one, and you should take this one out too, but I want to figure out how. And here 4 13mm, 4 13mm for this one behind the bumper. There's screws underneath bumper, so it's right there. See all of that screws, star I think 15. So I removed the transmission cooler line from here. There's the top one. I will remove this one too, the bottom one. This clip is here, just take them out and then pop it. So remove this plastic and it's right here. Right here, this one. Let me remove it. I just remove it right here. So then I pop that like that. So I remove both transmission cooler line, top one and the bottom one. So 2 lines goes to transmission. When you take the radiator out, just match it with a new radiator. Make sure you order the right part. So this is a new one and this is the old one. Make sure you transfer this one to here and double check if anything you need to transfer, like this one too. You have to put it here, transfer it. So remove this clip or spring, I don't know what's the name exactly, and take this connector out and transfer it here. Just take the clamp out and then just pop it up, not turn left or right, no, just pop it out, then put it here. So put it in, make sure push all the way down, and then just push the spring and that's it. And this connector, same thing, pull this one out and then disconnect it and put it here for the new radiator. Take this one out and just pop it up like this. This is a sensor. Clean it, make sure it's good, and put it back here with the new radiator. So I put it and the new radiator, same exact all one. I remove it from here to here. So let's start to put it radiator in the new one. I recommend to replace both hose, the upper one and the lower one. So here. Now I'll put everything back except the bumper. I will put it back right now. So everything back currently. Now I put everything back together. So I'm gonna do coolant flush and fill. Now everything's done. Everything's back together. So I just finished. Fill, coolant, and flush. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Bye.